His name is John C.
Unbelievable resurrection for The Undertaker.
Oh my God! His name is John C.
Und jetzt ein Doppelter-Pin.
Rollins with a stop to Lesnar. Roman Reigns.
Unbelievable resurrection for The Undertaker.
Doing. I can see one.
Every man for himself.
KO!
There's Rollins with the pedigree.
Oh, what a knee!
Watch it again.
Unbelievable resurrection for The Undertaker.
Und jetzt ein Doppelter-Pin.
Coming up the middle, free safety, gotta get it go.
Steps up, shake and bake, jumps over the defender.
Springboard! On this match.
Unbelievable resurrection for The Undertaker.
Doing. I can see one. One flaw in Carlito's.
Unbelievable resurrection for The Undertaker.